What's up, everybody? It's Sunday. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for everyone that subscribed to the channel so far. Today we're going to be installing the Quadlock system on the Honda Rebel 1100. What I have is I got the iPhone case. I have the waterproof charger for it. This is the vibration dampening system. I'm not too sold on this, but with a $1,100 phone, this is supposed to decrease the damage to the camera from the vibration from the motorcycle. But I just say if you got everything else, you might as well go ahead and make the initial investment in this as well. This is the arm, the lock that's going to mount to the handlebars so the phone can actually connect to the actual charger. I already know that I need one more piece because Quadlock provides a USB-C to USB connector, which is a better connector. I initially bought a USB-C to USB-C. However, the cord, I believe the cord that they provide is the better cord because it has the weatherproofing on it. So I'm gonna go with the cord that they provided, but I have already ordered the USB-C adapter that I'm gonna pick up from Walmart today. So other than that, let's get started on it. Alright, so if you have a Rebel 1100, and if you do not know, there is a USB charger under the seat. You have to take the seat off, and this is the actual charger and that's what I was saying about the part that I ordered from Walmart is going to be an adapter that connects from here into here, and I already rerouted the cord that's going to come out right here through the back of the handlebars. Alright, so this is the vibration dampener that you sit on top of the mount, and then the actual charger sits on top of this. Okay, so this is the handlebar mount. This is the vibration dampener. And then it's the actual charger sits on top of this. Is the charging mount that sits on top of here, and it comes with a couple comes with the USB cord. It comes with some zip ties to zip tie the wire to the frame, and it comes with the screw. This is the charging light indicator, so you want that on. Alright, let me get my phone to see if it seats on there properly. Alright, so I got the handlebar mount mounted. Got the vibration dampener on there. Got the Quadlock charge on there. This is the actual Quadlock case that is needed to complete the entire system. You're going to push down on this and mount it like that, and that's how it's mounted. Come around here, then this is what I was saying about the cord that is supplied with the system instead of the one that I purchased and wanted to use on my own. It seats directly into and it snaps, and which is a better seal than what I had from the original one. Not the original one, but the additional one that I purchased. So right now it's mounted, but it's not charging because it's not connected to the actual charger that's under the seat. And I'm gonna do that later on today when I go pick that additional piece up from Walmart. So I'm gonna go for a ride and see how it handles or whatever, and see how it goes. But first I'm going to zip tie the cord to the frame. Okay, so after sitting up on the bike, I realized that the way the mount is where it's mounted now is getting in the way of the actual parking brake. I can still reach it, but it's not accessible as I would like. So I'm gonna slide this down just a little bit so I can be able to easily assess that the parking brake, because right now it's kind of in the way. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I made this process a lot harder than what it should have been, but I got the mount mounted. Couldn't figure out why it was still pointing incorrectly to the sky, so I ended up rotating this part more towards me and kind of fixed the issue. This is the USB-C charger that I got running along the frame. It's got a zip tie to the frame, and it's going into the this is underneath the seat where the USB charger is. It's more than enough room. I'm gonna get a USB adapter, and it's gonna plug into this, and it's going to, that's what's going to be able to allow the phone to charge while it's connected. So far I'm happy with the purchase. Like I said, I made it a lot harder than what it was. I'm gonna go for a ride today to see how it holds up, for as you know, staying on there, or how functionality how it functions, and then we'll go from there. All right.
Yeah. I know what you want, baby. Yeah. Pull up in my ride, she been coming back. Yeah. Pull up in my ride, baby. Yeah. Pull up.
Walmart online grocery, how may I help you?
Yes, I'm here for a pickup.
What's the last name?
Robinson.
And the first name?
Brian.
What number are you in?
6.
Alright, give me just a moment, I'll bring it out.
Okay, thank you. Alright guys, so this is the piece, the USB to USB-C that I ordered. I picked it up from picking it up from Walmart now. I got the Apple version because this is the only version that Walmart had at the time. I didn't want to wait to get shipped to me, so I just went ahead and got the one that was available. It was about $19. So I'm gonna plug it up under the seat and see if it works. All right, so I got it plugged up under the seat. It's charging. What is happening? There it is. Light up, lit up, let me know it's charging. So it works. Good to go. Tuck that in. Should be good to go.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I know.
All right, I made it back. Short ride from Walmart to the house. Couldn't really tell how great the charger is due to the short ride. I will say I didn't gain a whole lot of power, but I didn't lose any either. So I'm speculating that my phone is a fully charged phone. Then no matter probably the distance, depending on the distance, how well the charger will be. But stay tuned for more content. I'm sorry. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you.